Hi, today I will be telling what a variable is and how you can use it to code. But first, look at this video that I created on what is a variable in numbers. Okay, now you watched the video, let's learn how to make a variable. First, get onto the simple code example py, which I did on my last video. If you haven't seen, please look at it. If you haven't saw it, please look at it. Okay, we just got rid of the print function, which I just showed in my last video. Now we will be doing variables. First, let's create a variable var1. Actually, you don't need to do var1. You just need to do for variable banana equals banana. Okay, you can see that I created a variable, just very simple. But there are some rules to creating a variable. There are you can't put a number starting, it won't work. And I don't think you should have a capital, I don't remember. But if you want to know the rules, you can look at another video that I will create on the rules. So banana equals banana, we can just put b equals a banana for short. Okay, and then we can use the print statement, which you should know if you had already looked in my first video. Print, just put print b, no quotation marks, because that will be a string, and then the string will make it only show b, only b, the letter b, not anything else. Okay, so press OK, and then there we got banana. Woohoo! We can change this into anything else. Bob. I don't know. Bob, and then run it. Run module. Okay. Then Bob. Great. Now we know how to create a variable and make it show in the shell. But we can also do this. We can use variables to do addition. So I will put 1, and then a will equal 2, and then print but let me just put those quotation marks and print a plus b. It's simple as that. But look at this. It will come 21, not 3. If you put b plus a, look, it will come as 12. Boom. But we don't want that, do we? No, we do not. Let's just put it as a string. I mean, as an integer. 1 plus 2, 1, 3. Now it will work. So remember to not put the strings. Let's put the strings in again and test it if it will work for any other functions. So instead of plus, let's put minus. 1. Okay. And no. Nope, it won't work. Unsupported operand. Whatever. Okay, let's see if it will work with multiplication. Run. No. Can to multiply sequence by non-interrupt type str. So it's saying that you can't use string. So let's see, division probably won't work. Module and nope. It also says str, which stands for string. So addition will work, but it won't do addition. It will do monkey math or something. Put 1 plus 2 and then it equals 12. Put 2 plus 1 equals 21. That's just crazy. Now let's get rid of the string and put division. Run as module 0.5, which is correct. 1 divided by 2. Okay, if it's probably correct. If it won't be wrong because it's the computer and it's supposed to tell the correct thing. Okay. Now 2, which is correct. And then we already did addition, so let's see subtraction. Run module -1, which is also correct. Okay, that's it. That's the end of this video. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe and turn on notifications for more videos. Bye.